never have to wonder again if your Tableau extracts have been refreshed, because Wiiisdom Ops for Tableau has just released a brand new type of test called Tableau Extract Testing. Now, when you go to add a new test in Wiiisdom Ops for Tableau, you'll see it available right here. You can see the little new icon next to Tableau Extract Testing. Now, once you've created a new Tableau Extract test, the next step will be to add our brand new Assert Extract Refresh task to it. I've done that already right here. And then there's really only two pieces of information that you'll need to input. The first will be the data source path. That's going to be your extract that you want to do testing on. So you can click search right here and select the extract. And then the next step is going to be to select a time period that the extract should have been refreshed within. So you're going to want to enter the last X number of days, hours, or minutes that this extract you selected here should have been refreshed within. So in this example, I am asking Wiiisdom to test for the fact that this extract that I selected right here has been refreshed within the last 3 days. When I run this test, if that is true, then I will get a success message right here. Now, if this extract has not refreshed within the last 3 days, this test will fail and it will produce a failure message in the report. Now, once you've set up the Tableau Extract tests that are meaningful to you, I'd recommend going ahead and scheduling these tests to run on a regular cadence. That way, you're going to be able to be rest assured that the extracts your dashboards depend on have been refreshed.